sa Isle of Sheppey. So yan po ang Isle of Sheppey. So walang isda. Bakit kaya walang isda? Salado. Maybe the fish is looking for bait fish. There's a guy. Gandahan, dito lang ako mag-park. Ayan. Ayan mga ka-vibes, wala pa tayong kuha. Okay, gonna catch, gonna do the gonna. Yeah. Okay, so yun nga, ang fishing. Kahit may kuha man o wala, at least enjoy lang. Kasi relaxing daw. Lalo na't may kuha, mas relaxing. Okay. Hello, good afternoon. So, and your name is?
Reese.
Reese. So, this what you are going to do for the?
Give it a little sponsorship.
Yeah. So he's going to give some sponsorship, free,
Some free laws and nice reel and that.
Oh,
Really
that's
nice
good.
little PV, proper little tent.
Wow, that's very good.
I'll send a jumper off to you, and every time you go fishing, just wear the jumper, and I'll send
Okay.
some more stuff out to you.
Oh, that's good. That's
Free
good. That's
bait
good.
up, 'cause-
And what's the name? What's the name?
Headway tackle supplies.
Midget Tackle Supply. So that's very good. Yeah. Okay. So and your name is?
Reese.
Reese. Okay. Thank you so much, Reese. Thank you. So, ayan po. So, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. So wala tayong mahuli mga ka-vibes today. Zero. Bye-bye!